Hi, my name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. And if you are returning subscribers, welcome back and thank you so much once again for your endless support. I would like to make a special thank you for my beautiful friend, Lynn Palmer from the United States. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for your endless support. Today, guys, I am hosting this collaboration called Show Me What You Got. So I'm going to show you what I've got, guys. And my co-host for this collaboration is my beautiful friend, Wake Up and Crafts, guys. So I will put down her channel link and please go and visit her because she got lots of beautiful content, guys. With that said, let's start our project. I saw this online for $18.99 US dollars, that is, and I will not pay $19 for this. So I've gathered all my jars and soaked them in hot water and removed all the labels. And now I grab my glue gun and my twine, and we are going to recreate that $18.99. So what I'm doing now is using my glue gun, I'm sticking this twine around this jar or bottle, as you can see, and then I took another twine, wrap around one go, and then make a bow, and that's it. So it's easy and simple. See, done. And now we have to wrap around in the middle like what we've seen in the one that is online. As you can see, just stick it with glue, and so easy. As you can see, very easy job. Done. One down, guys. Isn't it that easy? And these glasses or jars are free. The only thing, guys, I struggle couple of these jars. I struggle in removing those stubborn labels. So if any one of you knows the secret on how or the easiest way to remove the labels, please comment down below, because honestly, guys, it took me at least 1.5 hours to remove those labels, to be honest with you. Okay, so if you know or any secret that you can share, please comment down below on how to remove those labels. And guys, this is the outcome of our first project. That's $18.99 and I spent nothing because I got the twine and my glue stick. Project number 2 is the same, is $18.99, and we are going to recreate that using this mason jar. Again, guys, I didn't buy this. It's come from, I think, mayonnaise jar. So it's the same thing. I remove the labels, and now I'm using this twine, and as you can see, guys, I'm cutting it longer than it's supposed to be at the bottom, because we are going to tie a knot later on. So we just have to fill this jar around until we fill it all out. Okay, just hang in there, guys. It will not take you that long because we are going to speed fast this, so it will not bore you to death, because I know you have things to do. So, but anyway, guys, after we fill this up, I already braided some twine so that we can wrap around this area so that it will look nice and neat. Okay, and that's the reason why I already done the braiding. Okay, just do it 2 rounds and that's it. Cut it off. And now we are going to tie a knot. As you can see here, it's so nice and simple. You just do it like this and then grab another 2 and do it again until you do it all around. And like this, you see, guys, if you cannot do the 8 knots, you can just do any knot that you like, but you just have to keep in the same label. Okay, like this. Very easy. You just have to tie it like this, and that's it. You see? Very easy. Like that. Again, grab those two, tie it like that, and it's done. And what I'm going to do now, guys, is I have to use my glue gun to glue it at the bottom end of this jar. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want this twine to move around and it ruins the shape, because I like to keep the shape. As you can see, there's a pattern of this what I've done, you see. And then after this, we are going to glue all the twine at the bottom, as you can see, because when you turn it upside down, you see, upside down or inside up, it's gonna be stand up evenly. Does it make sense what I'm talking about? Like this. Okay, so this is the outcome, guys. And that's $18.99 the original, and mine is only $1 with the twine and the stick. But project number 3, guys, this is unbelievable. It's 1,016 Hong Kong dollar. So what I've done, guys, I'm going to recreate this using this chocolate box. And of course, the same thing, guys, our favorite twine. Okay, as you can see, I cut 6 pieces of this twine. I got my peg from my washing peg just to hold this so that we can do our braiding. Okay, I'm just gonna do once, show you how I'm done my braiding, as you can see here. But we need to make a lot of this, but I've done it already. I'm just showing you how I made one. So this is all what I made. And now we are going to stick it into this box. Okay, guys, it's gonna be nice and quick. I will show you the whole process. And I'm so happy, guys. Really, I'm so excited because we are saving $1,000 Hong Kong dollars. That is, guys, not US dollars, okay? But even then, that's over 100 US dollars that we are going to save. Can you imagine that, guys? That's why I'm so excited with this project, because we can actually save a lot of money, and by just using or reusing our rubbish or our garbage. Can you imagine that? That's box that's supposed to be in the, landfill, but I'm reusing it, guys. That's one of the reasons why I liked to do this, and to encourage people to recycle your garbage. And we have to use, or we have to help our environment and to save out all this rubbish to be just dump it in the landfill, guys. Okay, that's one of my advocacy while I created my channel, is because I like to encourage people to reuse or recycle their rubbish. As you can see, guys, I'm just gluing it all around. I've made a lot of braided twine, guys, so that, you don't feel bored watching me doing the braiding. So I'm just showing you, I just stick it all around, and that's it. I'm doing the same thing outside, like this, just to make sure we can cover all the whole box. Okay, so it's nice and neat. And now, as you can see, I got lots of this, and we are just going to glue it at the bottom part. You must be wondering why I didn't braid it. And the reason why, guys, is because it does not matter as long as we cover the whole box. It's okay if there's some gaps and everything. At least nobody can see the bottom part, right? And the only reason why I did the braiding on top or the upper part is because people can see that, and I don't like that, because I like to make my project really nice. And it's almost done, guys. As I promised you, I'm not gonna bore you to death watching me putting all this stuff. So it's almost there, and thank you guys for being sticking there. And this is the outcome. And now since we have 5 pieces onto that, I just gonna make 2 pieces, and I'm going to use this bowl from the Japanese takeaway. Again guys, I just keep everything because I don't like to throw things away, right? I just like to recycle, reuse all my stuff as long as we can keep it, guys. So you can just imagine how much junk do I have in my house. So even if we have 1,500 square feet house for the 3 of us, it's full of my rubbish. So now we just gonna do it like this. Very easy, guys. Look at that. And let's speed fast it so you don't get bored with me watching with me putting all this stuff. I promise you I'm not gonna be that long with all my project. It will only take you maybe 10 minutes to watch all my stuff, because I don't really like to keep all your time, but I'm showing you the whole process, guys, because you know, maybe you think I didn't do it. So I just want to make sure you see the whole project, how it works, how I've done it, how I finish it. And that's it, almost done. You see? So quick. You think so, guys? Now let's do the bottom part. And again, I will not take you that long, guys. I'm just going to show you that I'm really making this, not cheating, because some of the content creators, they just show the finished part. So I just want to make sure that you can see I'm doing it really with my own. Okay, and that's it. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like a bird nest. Isn't it that beautiful? I love this. And this is the outcome. That's $1,016 for the 5 pieces, and I only spent $20 for this 2. All right, and this is how I put all my project together. And once again, thank you so much, everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all those participants, and of course my co-hosts, Wake Up and Crafts, and of course once again to all my subscribers, all my all my supporters, and once again, thank you so much. Take care and God bless.